Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back sa ating channel. It's currently 12:40 ng hapon and pack up na kami ni Ate Paris guys. Ayan. Oh. As usual, hindi tayo nakapag-vlog kanina nung dumating kami dito, pag-alis namin ng bahay kasi sobrang busy talaga guys. Wala na akong time para mag-vlog. So ngayon lang tayo nag-vlog. Buti na lang nadala ko ang ating camera. So, ayan, tingnan nyo. Yung iba napasok ko na sa loob ng sasakyan. So, ito na lang. Kuya ate?
Okay.
Sleepy. Sleepy. Okay, sleepy na ka? So, ayan. Ito. Tingnan nyo, oh. Pasok pa natin yan sa loob ng sasakyan. Here, honey, can you hold this on, Baba? Okay, take this.
To take the bags outside, put them in the car. There he is. Well, he's not going in the car, but after. Goes in. There's another big grocery bag there. That's all of them, but these.
Yeah, no, I wish it was inside it. Yeah.
See what she's putting it there. Purse, please. Baby. Here's another one.
So, kakain kami na Ate Paris. So, uwi na kami. After makasok dito sa sasakyan.
Do you need help? So my mom's putting everything in the car right now, and it's really sunny, but it's a little bit blurry at the back, so yeah, it's a little blurry. That's our car right there, and when you're really close to it's not blurry, so yeah, she's putting everything. It's gotta be really hard for her to tear up this stuff. So, everything that she has is actually quite beautiful. I actually really like all of them. And there are lots of sales today. So, see you later. Bye!
Oh my God, itong bag na to ang pinakamabigat guys. Sobrang dami kong pinasok. Para alam niyo yun, isahan nga pero sobrang bigat naman. Oh my goodness.
So Mama's pulling the heavy backpack with lots of money in it. Take this so much stuff in it. It's just a picture on the front. Like imagine if that was a transparent bag and we could sell us some money.
Oh my God. Bigat nito guys ha. Ganito kami magtinda ni cars guys. Okay, maybe. Okay. Please. Okay, my goodness. Alright. So this two, para tayong Tetrismania puzzles.
Puzzle.
Puzzle.
Puzzle? That's it.
Para tayo ng puzzle para mapasok lahat. We actually brought more stuff today compared to last week. Kasi last week we done well. Sabi ko, nagdala pa tayo ng mas marami pang paninda. Madami kaming dala ni Ate Paris at ngayon pa naging quiet. It's quieter today compared last week. So, it's okay. We still did good, but last week was real good for us. Yeah. Imbis na marami akong bit-bit guys na. Kunti lang yung tao today. Like, seriously, 1 hour na guys ang nakalipas. Wala pa kaming benta ni Ate Paris. Sabi ko, this is not normal kasi kami, pag start pa lang, may ano na talaga, may kita na kami. But, nilagay kasi kami sa likuran yung side na hindi kubet. Yung walang masyadong pumupunta. So, walang masyadong nakakakita ng mga paninda namin. Yeah?
In the first hour, nobody bought anything.
Yeah.
But in the next hour, people start buying.
Yeah. I think like because during like early in the morning, it's very cold, so walang masyadong tao na bumabangon. Kasi personally hindi ako like lalabas ng 8 o'clock guys para mag-shopping, di ba? So, they started coming around mga 10:30, ganun na. So, we sold a bit. Still, like we covered the rent and all. Which is good. Hello, monkey. Hello, little monkey. Okay, let's go. Put seatbelt on. Gawin na ang sales lady. Tulungan tayo ni Daddy Mike, guys. Ilabas yan. Kailangan na ilabas sa sasakyan na yan, guys. Kasi si Ate Paris ay meron na namang appointment. Sobrang busy ng batang yan. So, maya-maya lang, may birthday siyang aatinan. Gustong-gusto niya talaga, guys. Gusto niyang pumunta. So, bibili pa kami ng regalo. So, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, hindi kami makakabili ngayon na may mga gamit sa loob ng sasakyan. Kasi ayoko mag-park sa shops na may mga laman yung sasakyan niya. Hirap na magkalisod-lisod ba na baka mag-break in sa sasakyan natin. So, kailangan ilabas muna. And then, dadalhin ko si Ate Paris para bumili ng regalo for Tandy. And then, sabi nga ni Daddy Mike, maybe we can just drop Ate Paris there. So, we've been there. Kilala namin yung mama niya. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, maybe pwede namin i-drop lang sa Ate Paris kasi meron kami mga gagawin. Alam niyo yun, like may mag-pick up ng bag actually very soon. So, kailangan kong ready. And, baby still in natutulog daw, sabi ni Daddy Mike. So, sobrang busy ng buhay. Oh my God.
Oh my god. Louie, still dropping on me? That's a hard
Alam, may kanin pa pala yung one from last night.
Louie?
Hindi ko na gutom ako
Hey, boy. Hey, boy. What do we do? What do you do? Wow, cuddle.
Kaya niya.
No.
Bubbly. Let's go.
Come here. Come here.
Magkakape tayo, guys. Ako na talaga ang magkakape ng tanghali.
Did you show them my food?
Yeah.
Ati. Right.
Alam niyo ba, umalis ako kaninang umaga nang walang makeup, guys. Ayan. Ang aking pagmukha ay naglagay lang ako ng sunscreen. Kaya medyo may glow pa rin siya kahit walang makeup. Kasi I set the alarm last night ng 5 o'clock. Hindi pala nag-work siya, pero naka-silent pala. So, hindi ko narinig, obviously, yung alarm. At buti na lang, guys. Alam mo yung may plano ka gawin. So, yung body ko, guys, nagising. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, what's the time? Pagtingin ni Daddy Mike, what time was it, Daddy? When I woke you up this morning?
6.
5:45. Something. Oh my God. Dapat kaming umalis mga 6:20. So, ilang minuto na lang. yung meron ako, tapos nabihisan ko pa si Ate Paris. So, nabihis ako. Ito pala yung ating pa-outfit for
There's
today.
all the
Huh?
So, nagbihis ako, tapos binisan ko sa Ate Paris. Hindi na ako nagsuklay. Tingnan nyo ang aking buhok. Bed hair pa to kasi, tingnan nyo, oh. Hindi ko na nasuklay. Umalis akong ganyan ang aking buhok, guys. Tapos inano ko na lang, pinlip ko kanina.
Daddy wants to.
Hindi naman kami na late sa awa ng Diyos. And dapat hindi talaga malate, guys, kasi you have to be there by 7, otherwise hindi ka na nila tatanggapin. So we were on time, pero ang kapalit ay hindi na ako nakapag-ready. Hindi na nakapag-makeup si mami niya. Anyways, that's a good thing about having like lash extensions, guys. So ito yung isang rason din kung bakit nagpapa-lash extensions ako. Kasi kahit na wala akong makeup, kapag may lash extensions ako, I feel like okay na akong lumabas. Kasi, alam niyo yun, parang buka yung mata mo. Pero, kapag, walang lash extensions, tapos hindi ka nag-makeup, magbibenta ka, alam mo yun, parang, dapat kasi pag nagbenta ka, ka rin tingnan, di ba? Para yung mga tao ay, para mamagnet mo rin yung tao bumili sa'yo kasi maganda kang tingnan, maganda yung mga paninda mo. So, hopefully, next Sunday, hindi kami pupunta kasi meron kami ganap next Sunday. So, maybe the next Sunday after next Sunday. We'll make sure na mag-work natin kasi gusto ko talagang maagang missing para makapag-ready din tayo ng bongga. Hindi tayo na baka madali.
Mama? Can you come here?
Daddy loves the chicken.
Yeah, the chicken is nice.
The one that you said something times minus something equals something.
900 minus 100.
Alright, tell Daddy. Daddy, and I want 900 minus 100. 800.
Good job.
I think.
Masarap yung luto ni Daddy Mike na chicken. Oh,
Daddy, and I want 900 times 100.
What is it?
800.
What is that again? Say again.
sarap magkamay.
900 times 100.
What is it?
Wasn't 900 times 100?
Love it.
Right? Easter egg. Eggs. Right house. Right house. Lighthouse. So I put two of words, then I put them together. Butterfly. Butterfly.
Chicken. It's your chicken.
Eat chicken. Chicken.
Kaya po ito pala. Kaya ito.
Equal.
They love parasite after. Tingnan niyo ang ating baby girl. Uy, tulong na tulong. Oh. Tingnan niyo. Napaka-cute naman ang baby. Ganda naman ang baby na
Ate, do you
yun.
want this chicken?
Hello, my baby girl. Gisingin ko kasi. Dadalhin ko sila sa birthday eh. Hi, my princess. Mama is here. Oh, is Mama here? Is Mama here? Is Mama here?
Daddy here? Hello. Hello. Stop trying to get my food.
How are you, my baby girl? You love niya si Mama.
First time touching you today.
I know. How are you, anak? Ay, shush! Mag-go to Sandy's birthday? Yeah?
Mama,
Yes,
you're
baby.
talking us.
Huh?
You're talking us.
No, we'll stay there. Lini and I will stay.
Hey, what?
What happened, Daddy?
Huh?
What's that?
What? I'm putting some more dishes in.
Hello, Mama. Say hi, guys.
Where are you
Hi,
going to
guys.
stay?
Mama will be
Where are you going to stay?
I'm gonna stay with you because I'm gonna take Lini.
Please.
Kasi pinick up na eh. Pinick up na yung bag. Ito daw yung gusto niyang suotin. itong kanyang mermaid dress. Sige na. Sige na. Hang on. You want jacket? Huh? Do you want jacket? Okay.
Yeah.
Where's your manners?
Please.
Please. Alam niyo ba guys, yung nag-pick up ng bag ba, sobrang tagal naming naungkat. Sobrang tagal naming naungkat kasi nag-usap-usap pa kami ba. Like she ended up sharing her story with me kasi yung mama niya pala ngayon ay dying daw sa hospital, sabi niya. She said she's a nurse and kasi malayo siya nakatira, but now she's going to let go of her career para bumalik dito sa Brisbane para alagaan yung mama niya. Kasi hindi nila alam kung hanggang kailan na lang daw yung buhay ng mama niya. And you know what? Alam niyo yun guys, like I'm very soft-hearted. And sabi ko na, I'm very sorry to hear. And kasi dalawa yung bag na binili niya guys. And then may isang wallet na gusto niya. Pero hindi niya kinuha, sabi niya, yung dalawang bag na lang daw. And because she seemed to be really sad, and legit talaga guys, parang naiiyak siya ba. Binigay ko sa kanya yung wallet. Sabi ko, you can have this. Sabi niya, what's this for? Sabi ko, no, I hope that it will lift up your mood a little bit. Kasi I can feel that you're really sad. And alam niyo ba guys, sabi niya sa akin, I can really feel that you're a good person and you have a good heart kasi you made me open up. She said, wala daw siyang kinausap na ibang tao since Friday. Nung nangyari sa mama niya, sinugod nga sa hospital para mag-surgery. And first time daw niyang lumabas. Alam mo yun, nasa hospital daw siya, nagtingin-tingin daw siya kung ano yung, kasi parang retail therapy, I really believe in that. Kasi, alam niyo yun, kapag may binibili ka para sa sarili mo, like you feel a bit better, you know, kahit na may mga hindi kaaya-ayang pangyayari. So, binigay ko sa kanya. And, yeah, I can really, like, I know, sabi ko sa kanya, I know it's a little thing, like, but I'm hoping that, it will make you feel a little bit happy. Alam mo yun, amidst of what she's going through right at the moment. Wallet lang yun, ha? And naghingi pa siya ng discount doon sa dalawang bags. And I said, it's fine. I want you to have the wallet. So she's happy, and I'm always happy, guys, when I make other people happy. Okay, did you do it properly?
Oh, Lynn, can I have one of them? Yeah. It's the next one.
Make sure you close here, Baba.
Okay, that's fine.
Make sure you close your eyes when you do that.
What would you say?
There you go.
Onto the trampoline after this. Yeah, okay. It's just
Kinulayan namin ng buhok. Hair color, temporary.
the color.
Yeah, it is.
I can't see.
Yeah, I can see on the video. Come on. Anak ko, enough na si Lynn.
First, I'm gonna add this. Right here. Then I might add.
Ana, enough na Lynn. Enough na Lynn. Enough na, no more. Show me yours. Be here.
Then I might put a little.
Oh wow, beautiful. Okay, Papa, that's it, okay?
Mama, let me
Nice, okay.
Mama, let me see.
Oh. Close your eyes.
What happened,
Oh,
Mom?
you don't need to like do a lot lang. That's too much.
What's happened, my nose?
Hey, what happened to your nose?
Sometimes when I do it, sometimes I get this eyeliner wrong. Look at me. Look at me. This one.
Yeah. Good girl. Done.
Want to play with me?
Yeah, I'll play with you. I'm here. I'm drinking.
Play,
Ano to, lemon.
play with me.
I'm playing with you. Ate is there, oh. Drawing. Color.
Play.
Okay, baby.
Dad, can help you.
I don't think I can get in there lang. Na, uy, anak. Mommy, it's too big there lang. It might break. It's okay, I'm here. I'll watch you, okay? Show me. Show me you jump.
Not yet.
Show me na.
Not yet.
Take your shoes, Pe. Give me the other Pe. Whoa, good job. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! 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 Happy birthday! Woo!
A few moments later.
Luluto na si mami nyo ng dinner, guys. Yung mga kids, tsaka si Daddy Mike, kakabalik lang nila. So, umalis sila kanina. They took Louie for a quick walk. Did you go around the block, honey? Where did you go?
We went from Laney School to, to the shortcut to her house.
Hindi na ako sumama kasi nagluto ako ng hapunan. Alam niyo ba? Di ba kahapon? Pero hindi ako ba sa vlog kahapon? So, nagluto ako ng fried na tulingan na isda, di ba kahapon? So, hindi ko siya naubos. Nilagay ko siya sa fridge. So, it's still fine naman. Yung ginawa ko, sinabaw ko siya, guys. Sarap sana kung merong malunggay. Yan yung ano talaga namin before. Yung mama ko, pag may maiwan na pinilit yung isda, ginagawang sabaw. Para ibang, naman ba? Ibang dish. Hindi pa laging
Would you like my doggy? Would you like my doggy?
Yeah. And look what Ate Paris made for me. I love Mommy.
I love you.
Oh, I love you, Mommy. I love you too, anak. Ito yung para kay Daddy daw. Got corn din, guys. Oh. For baby sila. Hindi pa ako nakapagbihis. Mamaya na ako, pagbihis, diretsyo na batulog.
Do some stretches there.
Say hi, Daddy.
Huh?
You're on the camera. You're on the camera. I said say hi. What's going on, Nene? Come here, Palengkoy. Come here na, Palengkoy. Takag-jacket ang baby ko. Nag-alis mo na. Did you go for a walkie?
Yeah.
Did you like it? Kung makikita nyo guys, meron akong mga eyeshadow ha. Galing to kanina to sa sa birthday. Nilagyan nila ako ng makeup. Do you have makeup too? Woo! Hi guys, sabi. Hi guys. Ah! Tignan nyo ang ating Ate Paris guys. Splak na. Pinag-shower ko silang dalawa. Ayan.
What are you doing?
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Ang ate niya tulog na. Maaga kaya itong nagising kanina.
Hi.
Tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, are you okay anak? Do you wanna come? Gusto niya talaga na sa mama.
Hi again, Mommy.
Hi again, Papa.
Hi again, Mommy.
Sa after shower, tulog siya kagad eh. School na naman to bukas.
Are they sleeping?
Are you sleeping now? Hey, say goodnight here now. Hey. Salam ko eh. Say goodnight, guys.
Good night.
Gonna sleep now. Ang tatay na naman nila yung ma-evict dito. Andito kami sa bed namin.
Below.
Hello. Say bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Love you.
Love you.